Hi students, in this video let's discuss about image based questions and answers given in the chapter Nationalism in India. Hope this video is helpful. So please watch this video without skipping. Let's begin the video. The procession in this picture is associated with which movement? Answer is Quit India movement. Particularly this image represents women procession in Bombay during the Quit India movement. It happened during 1942. So during this movement, Gandhi delivered do or die speech. In your book, they didn't mention deeply about Quit India movement, but previous year they have asked this question, so kindly note down. What do the lion and the elephant in this image signify? Answer is power and authority. Actually, this Bharat Mata image is totally different from the image drawn by Abanindranath Tagore. The lion and the elephant signifies the power and authority. Next question is, what does this image signify? Answer is police crackdown on the Satyagrahis during 1930. Next question is, who prepared this painting of Bharat Mata? Answer is Abanindranath Tagore. He painted Bharat Mata as an ascetic figure. The mala in her hand represents her ascetic quality. Bharat Mata created by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya, painted by Abanindranath Tagore. Next image, what does this image of Bala Gangadhar Tilak signify? Answer is symbol of unity. Because here they have mentioned about sacred institutions of different faith. What does this image signify? Answer is women's participation in the civil disobedience movement. During national movement, many women came out of their houses and participated actively, and many went to jails and sacrificed their lives. What is this image associated with? Answer is Dandi March and civil disobedience movement or Salt March. It was started by Mahatma Gandhi with 78 trusted volunteers, and he started from Sabarmati to Dandi. This Dandi March is the beginning of the civil disobedience movement, and they successfully violated the British law. This image is associated with which event? Chauri incident happened during 1922. After hearing this incident, Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement. So this image is related with Chauri incident. After this incident, Gandhi called off the civil disobedience movement. Chauri incident happened in Gorakhpur. This image is associated with which event? Answer is boycott of foreign cloth. Because foreign cloth was symbol of Western culture. This image is associated with which event? Answer is protest of Indian workers in South Africa. Indian workers in South Africa marched through Walcrest during 1930. This was against racist rules. Which incident is associated with this image? Answer is Jallianwala Bagh incident, 1919. This is about General Tyer's crawling order, which was implemented by their British soldiers. They particularly targeted the Satyagrahis and the common people. What does this image signify? Answer is mass procession during 1919. That's all. I have covered all the important images. Hope this video is fruitful. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Kindly consider to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video till the end.